Apparently Nintendo has inadvertently revealed the full title of its upcoming platform game Yoshi for Switch, which now appears to be called Yoshi's Crafted World. Yoshi's first individual switching output was first revealed at E3 2017, where it was simply known as Yoshi for Nintendo Switch. That name has been recorded since then, reappearing with a release date of TBC again and again in the schedule of change of Nintendo, until it became official in 2019 during this year E3, at least. However, as reported by Nintendo Wire, fans detected a list now removed on the Nintendo website, referring to the Yoshi platform game as Yoshi's Crafted World. Some will remember that the previous Nintendo individual adventure, Yoshi, which premiered on Wii U in 2015, sported a lovely woolly aesthetic, which earned him the nickname of Yoshi's Woolly World. Presumably the meeting of names for the output of the Yoshi Switch, which takes place in a world entirely made up of paper crafts,